Hi guys, this is Dr. Gaurav Lala, your NEET PG mentor. A lot of people are asking, they're feeling burnt out, they're not able to give their best, they are not able to push that much that they feel that they should in the last 10 to 15 days. What should they do? Calm down, guys, calm down. There was NEET on June 23rd and now it's on 11th of August. You had given your full acceleration for June 23rd and now you're comparing that with August 11th. So, I'm not saying it won't happen, it will, but you need to feel that you are a human too. It's alright, some glitches are okay. Some tips to follow to accelerate your preparation at this moment. Relax, calm down, use deep breathing. Whenever you feel exhausted, whenever your mind couldn't stop, your thoughts won't stop, just do a little bit of deep breathing, calm down, focus on your breath. What I used to do personally was take study breaks, 10 minutes, 20 minutes breaks, and use the binaural beats for 10 minutes of a power nap. It used to boost me up for at least 3 to 4 hours. It was really, really good. But I don't know if it will suit you. I used to do it since the beginning of my preparation and I was habitual to it. What used to work wonders for me was visualizing. And in the end, it happened. So what I want you to think is, first of all, close your eyes. Think and imagine very, very vividly, in great detail, that you're coming out of the exam hall. You're walking up to your parents, you're walking up to your brother, and you're screaming in joy that whatever you had read, most of the things had come from that. And on top of that, you were able to recall everything. It couldn't have been better. Whatever you read in the last 2 days, lot of things came from that. A lot of topics got repeated from that. You're very, very happy. You're thankful to the Almighty that He could guide you in such a way. You thank your luck that you couldn't have wished for more. You're feeling you're very, very close to success. Open your eyes, guys. It will happen. Keep visualizing this. Keep pushing yourself every day. And I promise you this will happen. It happened with me, it will happen for you. Just trust the Almighty, trust yourself, trust your resources, trust your teachers, trust your preparation. Trust the plan of God and things will happen. Calm down, give your best shot every day. Take your preparation till the last day and things will fall in place. Do not calculate the results as of now. Just pray that your preparation is good enough to take care of the results. Till that time, if you like the content, if you like the videos, please press the bell icon, like the video, share it with your friends. All the very best, guys. I hope you get what you dream of. So after answering so many DMs, after answering so many doubts and talking to so many aspirants, I could figure out 3 major problems that everybody is facing. So I could divide them into 3 basic C's that I could identify. One is content. So what is happening is, lot of people are changing their content time and time again. They're not feeling confident with their content and they're changing their sources repeatedly. Some people are not consistent with their preparation, okay, and some people lack confidence. So these are the three basic problems that most of the students are facing, and we would like to solve them so that their scores are boosted as much as possible. They can reach their potential, they can get into those coveted government college seats. Fill out the Google form that's given in the link below, and I will contact you personally.